Yeah. Hello. Hey. Listen. First off, today's a celebration. We on a right track to a better destination. I would like to say congratulations to you indeed for every nation.
Wait, what? Pardon the interruption. We're in the middle of a triple planetary crisis.
We don't deny this triple planetary crisis. Exactly why UNEP exists. Together is the only way our planet get fixed. Nature's continuity, human creativity equals better planet for you and me. Our impact ecologically, multilateral policy. Here's how we protect Mother Earth. Our apologies. Twende na Mpango.